Okay, Loita, we will start. If anybody joins, then let them join in between. Uh, Guten Abend, Ramya und Madhu.
Guten Abend.
Yeah. So yesterday we learned something called as Partizip II. Partizip II means to frame sentences in past tense. Okay. And today we are going to just, revise and practice more verbs. First, we need to learn how to, frame these words. Then we can go with the sentence formation. Okay. So, Leute, here whatever is written, hat gewonnen, ist gefahren. For time being, we will learn it as it is because the third person conjugation of sein and haben is being considered here for just learning. Always when we learn, we always have the conjugation of the third person. Okay, so the third person conjugation for haben is hat, and third person conjugation of sein is ist. Okay, and Leute, this shows that when we are framing past tense sentences, you can have haben or sein in the second place. Now, what are the rules when to use haben and when to use sein? I will teach you a little later, not now. First, we will get used to these GE form of the verb, that is the past tense form of the verb. Yeah. So, hat gewonnen, from which verb it might be coming? From which verb is it formed? Tell me, out of these.
Laufen.
No, hat gewonnen is coming from gewinnen.
Ah,
Gewinnen means to win. Hat gewonnen means I won. How will you say I won the game? Ich habe das Spiel gewonnen. Okay. So from where is the verb? From where is gefahren coming? What is the
gefahren.
hmm,
Fahren.
fahren? Very good. Fahren. Okay. Gefahren is from fahren. But what is this, Leute? It is not hat gefahren, it is ist gefahren. Just remember this, I will let you know a little later. Okay, why it is ist. Ist gefahren. Okay, so gekauft is coming from which verb? Hat gekauft.
Kaufen.
Kaufen. Kaufen means to buy.
Kaufen.
Hat gekauft means bought. Ist gefahren means fahren meaning is drive. So ist gefahren is drove.
No.
Okay. Getroffen. From which verb is this coming? Getroffen.
Treffen.
Treffen. Treffen means meet. Hat getroffen means met. How will you say Ramya met her friends on the weekend? Ramya hat am Wochenende ihre Freunde getroffen. Ihre Freunde. Why ihre? Her. Freunde is plural, so e ending. Ihre Freunde getroffen. Ramya hat am Wochenende ihre Freunde getroffen. Okay, hat bekommen is coming from the verb bekommen. This is the verb which will not change. Yesterday, you remember two verbs we did. Vergessen and bekommen. They don't change in participes Y. Only difference is they come at the end. Okay. So what is bekommen? Bekommen means nothing related to coming. Bekommen means to get or to receive. How will you say on my birthday, I received many gifts? An meinem Geburtstag An meinem Geburtstag habe ich viele Geschenke. Geschenk means gift. Bekommen. Bekommen goes to the end. An meinem Geburtstag habe ich viele Geschenke bekommen. That means on my birthday, I received many gifts. Geschenke. Okay. Hat gedacht is coming from the verb denken. Denken means to think. Then what is hat gedacht? Thought, right? Ja, Leute, denken means to think. Hat gedacht means thought.
Thought.
How will you say, I thought my friend is coming tomorrow? Ich habe gedacht, mein Freund kommt morgen. Yes or no, Leute?
Yes, ma'am.
Ich habe gedacht. I should change according to the subject. I have to change the haben conjugation. Okay. Suppose I want to say, Yuvan thought that, okay, Yuvan thought there is no class today. Yuvan hat gedacht, wir haben keinen Unterricht heute. We have no class today. Wir haben keinen Unterricht heute. Next one is gelaufen. It's coming from the verb laufen, which means to walk or run. And it is also used with ist. So just learn it. I will let you know why it is ist a little later. Yeah. Ist gelaufen. Okay. Ist gelaufen means ran or walked. So laufen means walk or run, both. So here it is walked or ran. Clear?
Yeah.
Next one is mitgebracht. When you have ge here in between, it means it is a trennbare verb. In trennbare verb only after the prefix ge will come. So it's coming from the verb mitbringen. Mitbringen means to bring along. How will you say Pooja brought pizza for my party along? So Pooja brought along pizza for my party. Pooja hat eine Pizza für meine Party mitgebracht. So Pooja brought a cake. How will you say Pooja brought a cake? Pooja hat einen Kuchen für meine Party mitgebracht. Ja? Next one is verstehen. Verstehen means to understand. How will you say I did not understand? I did not. Ich habe nicht verstanden. And this is very important, Leute. Whenever you want to say in Germany you are and you didn't understand what the other person is telling, you can just say, es tut mir leid. What is es tut mir leid? What is es tut mir leid? Leute, I'm asking you, what is es tut mir leid? I'm sorry, no? Leute, are you all there or you're busy?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm there, ma'am.
Es tut mir leid means I'm sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
So es tut mir leid.
Es tut
I
mir
think
leid is I'm
somebody
sorry.
is here. No. Okay. Es tut mir leid. Ich habe es nicht verstanden. I did not understand. See, suppose a person, German person, is talking to you in a very high speed. Yeah. You're not able to understand. You have to use it.
Es tut mir leid.
Ja, es tut mir leid. I'm sorry. Ich habe es nicht verstanden. Ich
Ich
habe
habe,
nicht verstanden.
I'm not understanding, ma'am.
Ja,
I'm not.
I did not understand.
I did not understand.
Yeah, I'm not understanding in present tense is ich verstehe nicht.
Ich verstehe nicht. Ja.
This is present tense. Second position verb will come. Ich verstehe nicht. But ich habe es nicht verstanden is I did not understand.
Okay. I
So
don't
same.
understand this. Ich verstehe nicht.
Yeah, I don't
First,
understand now. I'm not understanding now. It is ich verstehe nicht.
yeah,
Okay,
ich verstehe.
ma'am, what you taught yesterday, I did not understand. Then it is ich habe es nicht verstanden. So what is this gesehen? Which verb is it coming from?
This is
Irregular verb sehen. So sehen will become hat gesehen. How will you say that I saw a football match yesterday? Ich habe
Ich habe
Fußballspiel.
Spiel gesehen.
That's it. Ich habe Fußballspiel gesehen.
Gesehen.
Tragen. Okay, no. Hat angefangen. Again, G is coming in between. That means it is trennbarer verb. So what is the verb here? Anfangen, to begin. Yeah. So,
Yes.
so here, how will you say I began cooking at 6 o'clock?
Ich habe
Hmm.
um
Aha.
6
6
Uhr,
Uhr
6 Uhr
kochen angefangen.
Kochen angefangen.
Ja, kochen angefangen. Ich habe 6 Uhr das Kochen angefangen.
Ich habe 6 Uhr
Hmm.
Kochen. Das Kochen or only Kochen?
You can use the cooking if you want to say, then das, otherwise kochen angefangen. That's it.
Okay.
Both are right.
Hmm.
Then hat verloren. Hat verloren is coming from the verb verlieren. Verlieren means to lose. To lose.
Hmm.
So hat verloren means I lost. How will you say I lost 100 rupees yesterday?
Ich habe, ich habe 100
Rupien
Euro. Rupien. 100 Rupien.
verloren.
Verloren.
Verstehe. If you want to add yesterday, you will add gestern. That's it. Ich habe gestern 100 Rupien verloren.
Hmm.
Hat erzählt is coming from the verb erzählen. Erzählen means to explain. How will you say Sonia ma'am explained Partizip II? So you will say, Ramya, give it a try. Sonia
Sonia,
hat
Art,
என்ன explain பண்ணாங்க? Partizip II
Party sees wife,
erzählt.
exhaled.
Avladan. That's it. Sonia hat Partizip II erzählt. That means Sonia explained Partizip II. Tragen is hat getragen. That is, you can wearing. To wear is tragen. I wore. Okay. How will you say yesterday was very cold? Yesterday was very cold. How will you say yesterday?
Gestern
Was, war,
war
very cold. Sehr kalt.
sehr kalt.
Gestern war sehr kalt.
Gestern war sehr kalt.
I wore a jacket. How will you say I wore a jacket? Ich habe
Ich habe
eine Jacke
eine Jacke
getragen.
getragen.
Okay, getragen means to wear tragen is to wear, getragen is wore, I wore. How will you say I wore the socks in the morning? Am Morgen
Morgen
habe ich
habe ich
die Socken
die Socken
getragen. I just wore
getragen.
getragen. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next one is geschlafen, which is coming from the verb schlafen. Schlafen becomes geschlafen. And hence, we will frame a sentence. Slept. Slept. How will you say I slept at 2 o'clock in the night? Ich habe
Ich habe
um
um
2
2
in der Nacht, in der Nacht
in der Nacht
geschlafen.
geschlafen.
Yeah, if you want to say I slept late, ich habe spät in der Nacht geschlafen. Okay, I slept late in the night. Okay, the next one is vergessen, which remains vergessen only. How will you say I forgot my book? Ich habe mein Buch
Ich
vergessen.
habe my book vergessen.
Avladan, that's it. So all these words that we are learning will come to the end of the sentence. Ich habe mein Buch vergessen. Sprechen is to speak. Gesprochen is spoke. How will you say I spoke to my husband? Ich habe
Ich habe
mit meinem Mann,
mit meinem
mit meinem
mit meinem
Mann
Mann
gesprochen.
gesprochen.
Ich habe mit meinem Mann gesprochen. Ich habe
Ich habe
mit
ich
meinem Mann
mit meinem Mann
I'm sorry, I was
gesprochen.
another call.
gesprochen.
Ja, kein Problem. Ja, gesprochen is spoke. Okay, we have another set of verbs. Schreiben will become what? Hat geschrieben. Hat geschrieben is coming from schreiben. How will you say I wrote 20 emails yesterday? Ich habe gestern 20 E-Mails geschrieben. Ich habe gestern 20 E-Mails geschrieben.
This wrote thing is geschrieben, ma'am.
Yeah,
Wrote is geschrieben. This whole
yeah,
thing goes to the last.
yeah. How will you say I wrote a letter yesterday? Ich habe gestern einen Brief geschrieben. Brief is letter. Article for brief is der Brief. Because it is an accusative sentence, I am writing the brief. Brief is letter. It becomes einen. Ich habe gestern einen Brief geschrieben. Essen goes to gegessen.
Okay, yes.
How will you say yesterday I ate ice cream?
Ich
Gestern.
habe gestern,
Ich habe gestern
ich habe gestern,
Eis,
gestern, Eis, okay.
Eis gegessen.
Ice cream is ice gegessen.
Yeah, Eis. That's it, Eis. Okay, Eis gegessen.
I
Ich habe,
ate ice cream yesterday.
yeah. In place of Eis, you can put anything. Ich habe gestern Pizza gegessen. Ich habe gestern Brot mit Käse gegessen. Ich habe gestern Joghurt gegessen. Ich habe gestern Biryani gegessen. Yeah, anything in place of Eis you can put. The format remains the same. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then arbeiten is hat gearbeitet. Okay, hat gearbeitet.
Working,
I worked.
worked, okay.
Okay, I worked. So how will you say yesterday I worked a lot? A lot is feel.
Feel. Ich habe gestern viel gearbeitet.
That's it. Ich habe gestern viel gearbeitet. Viel. Okay, ich habe gestern viel gearbeitet. Okay, the next one is bleiben. Here also it is having EI. It will get ulta, yeah? Ist geblieben. I'll tell you why it is ist a little later, but we have to say when you want to say I stayed at home. Bleiben means to stay. What is bleiben?
To stay.
Then what is stayed? Ist geblieben.
Ist geblieben.
No,
Geblieben.
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 It's like schreiben, geschrieben. Bleiben, geblieben.
Geblieben.
Yeah. Schreiben also, how will you say schreiben? Past
Schreiben.
tense.
Geschrieben. Geschrieben.
Same way, bleiben.
Geblieben.
Very good.
Geblieben.
Geblieben. Bleiben, geblieben. There, it will be used with sign in the second place. If you want to say, my family went to go, my family is going, no, my family, I don't want to say went because we are not taught you went yet. Okay, let me only tell. My family went to Goa, but I stayed at home. Meine Familie ist nach Goa gefahren. Meine Familie ist nach Goa gefahren, aber ich bin zu Hause geblieben. Ich bin zu Hause geblieben. I stayed at home. Okay? The next one. Anrufen is for angerufen. Called. How will you say I called my boss yesterday? Boss is chef. Der Chef. Ich habe gestern meinen Chef angerufen. Because der Chef is becoming an object in this sentence, it is accusative. That's why I use meinen Chef. Ich habe gestern meinen Chef angerufen. Okay? The next one is helfen. Helfen goes to hat geholfen. How will you say I helped my friend yesterday? Or I just helped my friend? No need to say yesterday. Ich habe. Again, Freund is der Freund, which is becoming an object in this sentence. Meinen Freund. Ich habe meinen Freund geholfen. Got it? Okay, now you have this besuchen, which goes to hat besucht and warten, gewartet. How will you say again, I waited for my friend at the railway station yesterday? How will you say?
Ich habe gestern
Für meinen Freund.
für
Für is
for my,
accusative always, right?
yes ma'am, for, yeah, für
Für
meinen,
meinen Freund
meinen
am
Freund
Bahnhof at the railway station.
am Bahnhof
Am Bahnhof gewartet.
gewartet.
Okay. The last one is besuchen. Besuchen is to visit. How will you say I visited my grandparents yesterday?
Ich habe gestern
Hmm.
auf Hilton
Meine Großeltern.
meine Großeltern besucht.
That's it. Ich habe gestern meine Großeltern besucht. Okay, we will revise once again all these words. Hat gewonnen is coming from gewinnen, which means win and won. Fahren to drive, ist gefahren, drove. Kaufen to buy, hat gekauft, bought. Treffen to meet, hat getroffen, met. Bekommen to receive or to get, hat bekommen, received or got. Denken is to think, hat gedacht is thought. Laufen is to run, ist gelaufen, ran. Mitbringen is a trennbare verb to bring along. Past tense brought along is hat mitgebracht. Verstehen is to understand. Past tense is hat verstanden. Stehen becomes standen. Sehen is to see. Saw is hat gesehen. Anfangen is a trennbare verb to begin. Hat angefangen began or started. Verlieren is to lose. Hat verloren is lost. Erzählen is to explain. Hat erzählt is explained. Tragen is to wear. Hat getragen is wore. Schlafen is to sleep. Hat geschlafen, slept. Vergessen remains vergessen. Vergessen means to forget. I forgot is also hat vergessen. Sprechen is to speak. Hat gesprochen is spoke. Arbeiten is to work. I worked. Hat gearbeitet. The next one, anrufen is to call. Hat angerufen is called on telephone. Essen is to eat. Hat gegessen ate. Warten is to wait. Hat gewartet is waited. Schreiben is to write. Hat geschrieben is wrote. Bleiben is to stay. Hat ist geblieben is stayed. Helfen is to help. Hat geholfen is helped. Besuchen is a nicht trennbarer verb. Yesterday we did BE form. BEER, VER, all these they don't have GE form. But instead we will go with T at the end. So besuchen, nicht trennbarer verb, hat besucht. Okay?
Yeah.
So Leute, we have learnt approximately 24 verbs here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? So I'll share you this link. Okay. The game is complete. So by tomorrow, Leute, you should practice this link at least twice. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Since nobody has joined, we will wind up our class early. I don't want to do more because they will lose lots. Yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
So
Yeah,
this is enough for today. Anyway, we have to learn these GE form of the verbs until and unless we are good to go. I will not move ahead. Okay? Suppose I ask, okay, what is the past tense of arbeiten? You should be ready to say hat gearbeitet. Sehen, hat gesehen. Bleiben, ist geblieben. ಈ ತರ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು.
but while forming the sentence, we don't use this at gay arbeitent. We just
ಅಲ್ಲ,
use
ಅದೇ,
this.
that's what I said. When we are learning it, we will always learn with hat and ist. Third person conjugation ಓದ್ತೀವಿ.
Okay, ma'am.
ಆದ್ರೆ when we are using it in a sentence, then we have to see the subject and accordingly conjugate. I ಇದ್ರೆ have.
Okay.
If I want to say you worked a lot yesterday, du
Then hat.
hast gestern
Hast.
viel gearbeitet.
Okay.
If I want to say er hat gestern viel gearbeitet. If I say we all worked a lot yesterday, wir haben. ಆದ್ರೆ ಕಲಿಯುವಾಗ while learning, we always learn like this only. Third person conjugation ತಗೊಂಡು ಕಲಿತೀವಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು whatever subject is there, according to the subject, we will change the conjugation and then go ahead.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, Loita, then we'll wind up with today's class. See you all tomorrow. I'll let you know the timing. Yeah, if all are available at the same time, we will have it 7:30. Otherwise, I think we'll see. Yeah,
Okay, okay, ma'am.
we'll let you know by tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then choose bis morgen.
Choose.
Ciao.
Choose this.